So first things first, we're going to talk about the CNC tutorials. Now, we touched on this last week. I'm going to show you a few more details about how to do that this week. Right? So, of course, the first thing we always do in lab is turn on the computer, because the computer has all the tutorials on it. And the tutorials are going to tell you how to start up the machine, how to set offsets, etc., etc. Right? So first thing, always turn on the machine and log in. Let me correct that. The first thing is turn on the computer and log in. Yeah, don't turn on a CNC machine unless me, the actual instructor of the class, I'm here and I tell you that it's okay to turn on the machine. You can see that would obviously be a liability if we have students coming in early and they just want to get some work done, so they turn on a machine, and that's a huge safety concern, right? So don't actually turn on the machine. Don't even touch the machine until you get explicit approval. Okay, so for the location of the CNC tutorials, that is in Windows Explorer right here. ME templates, CNC, and then you choose from either mill or lathe. In this case, we're on a mill, so I'll open up the mill tutorials. Now, don't worry about writing all that down just yet, because I'm going to give you the link afterwards, right? So in any Windows Explorer window, you have this gray panel right here. This is called a URL, which stands for Universal Resource Locator. It just allows you to get back to the same location really quickly in a computer. Now here's a nice trick I use all the time, and I recommend you use it too. You can click up there in the gray space and see how it highlights an entire string of text. You can actually copy that text. So right click and copy. And let's say I get out of Windows Explorer and I don't remember how to get back there. Well, I can actually click up there and paste that same text, hit enter, and I'm right back wherever I left off. So I'm going to give you that text. Now another thing here too is this text actually tells you how to get there. It says C, so I clicked on Windows C first. That's the C drive. Then the text says ME templates. So the next thing I clicked on after C was ME templates. Okay. Next thing it says is CNC. So the next thing I clicked on was CNC, etc., etc. So this string of text, it might be easier for you to just take a picture of it. This string of text is right here for you. C, ME templates, CNC mill, and CNC tutorials mill.